This is a demonstration of the Magic Switchboard S3. We have in front of us here is a board with 4 switches with colored keycaps and 4 LEDs that match. This LED here that looks a little clear is blue, which matches the blue keycap. And then we've got green, red, and yellow matching the keycaps here. And the switches are wired to the LEDs. So if I turn on the yellow switch, the yellow LED turns on. The red switch turns on the red LED. The green, and the blue. That's not very interesting because, as you would expect, the right color switch turns on the right color LED. What's more interesting is that this is somewhat magical in that I can take these LEDs out of their holders. These are standard LEDs. Let's just switch 2 of them around. Okay. So now I've switched the order of the LEDs around, and yet what's interesting here is that the red still turns on the red, the yellow still turns on the yellow, the green, and the blue. These are standard LEDs. They've got holders, which allowed me to pull them out. Maybe that's not very interesting either, because I just moved some LEDs around, but in fact these keycaps come off. So I could swap 2 of the keycaps, for example. And when I do that, remember I've now swapped LEDs and keycaps. What's interesting is that this yellow one here still lights the yellow, and the green still lights the green, and the red still lights the red, and the blue still lights the blue. They may think the order has some significance here, and I'm always lighting one LED first, but you can see that the switches here, doesn't matter what order I do, it always follows. I could even switch 2 of them out at the same time. Okay. You also might think, well, there's something that has to do with the keycaps. I can assure you these are standard keys. These keycaps are nothing but plastic. There's no sensors involved. There are no sensors on the LEDs. There's no sensors on the switches. They're standard LEDs, standard switches. The holders that the LEDs go into are simply plastic holders that allow you to pull the LEDs in and out so you can play with them. As that's a little difficult, I'm going to leave the LEDs where they are at the moment. I assure you I could move the LEDs around just as well. I'm going to take the keycaps and I'm going to just put them on any order. So I've now mixed up all of the keycaps. And now I can still turn the LEDs on in whatever order that I would like. So the red here still lights the red, yellow lights the yellow, the green, the blue. Again, I can turn them on and off in any sequence. And that, my friends, is the Magic Switchbox.